Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Säna Amira, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Instead of y'all seeing my face, I'm just going to have my wonderful hands. I did not get a manicure, but it's okay. Y'all will be okay, all right? So today I am going to do a quick little video. I bought some pieces from this jewelry line called from Argento Vivo. Y'all know how brother Instagram always gets me, and today is no different. So yeah, I bought a couple of rings from them and I want to show y'all how they look. I was trying to find like a YouTuber who like just did a Argento Vivo like haul, but nobody did that. They basically did like a tour of their ring collection or their jewelry collection. I have a lot of jewelry. So this will just be a new addition to my collection. If y'all wanted to see if y'all want to see a tour of my jewelry collection, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. But if you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Säna. I do a lot of hauls, try-ons, vlogs, and sprinkle a few beauty videos here and there. So if that's something that you would be interested in, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, let's jump into this real quick. So it comes in basic packaging like this. And then comes like this. Lovely, lovely. This is probably the receipt. Yes, it is the itemized receipt. Cool. So y'all know I love a good itemized receipt, so I will tell you how much each of these pieces cost and what their names are. So yeah. Ooh. Thank you for shopping with us. Receive 15% off your next order with code THAT. So yeah, y'all go ahead and use that for your next purchasing thingy. But yeah, like their little thank you card or whatever. Here's the box. Argento Vivo. Yeah, like I think I saw them in like a story. Like I was like looking through people's stories and this was an ad that popped up. So of course, brother Instagram got me again. Cute. Okay, so this is actually not what I ordered. So I guess they sent this to me as a consolation. Cause I ordered the Frankie CZ ring. It was super cute. It was like thick and had bling in like kind of like a baguette style. I don't know what the name of this ring is. Let me look through my phone and see what they said. But that's how that ring looks on me. It's pretty basic. I don't like it, so I'm upset. Yeah. So let me see what my email says. Let's go into my email. Okay, so I just sent them an email saying I'm actually hella late opening this package, so I feel like I probably won't be able to get my money back, which I'm like highly upset about because the Frankie ring was like $128. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't like it. I think it's ugly. I don't want it. So hopefully they email me back soon. By the time I post this video, I'll give you guys an update on it. So yeah, that's this ring. I don't know the name of it. I don't really like it. Not my cup of tea. So yeah, let's move on to the next ring. This is the small round signet ring, size 6 as well. So this is the small round signet ring with CZs, and I personalized it with S, like S for Säna, and I got it in the Gothic font. I love it. It's really cool. I'm just not as hype as I want to be for it because I'm a little upset about the other ring. But yeah, I looked through my emails. They didn't give me an update or anything like that. However, I do see a little check mark by the Frankie ring, which makes me feel like, oh, I couldn't find it, so let me just give her this bullshit ring. But yeah, I do like this one. It's really cool. Can't wait to add it to my collection. But yeah, I'm a little upset that they didn't say anything to me about it. But yeah, here it is with both. It's just so boring. Like, it looks like a cheap wedding band. I don't like it. Like, if they sent it to, like, if it was just this part and not this band, it'd be cute. But the band with the bling, like, no. Y'all could at least given me one that had baguettes, like, across the top. But yeah, this is how it looks stacked. If y'all actually like this ring, I'll try to find out the name and let y'all know what it is. But yeah, I would have been happy if I actually got my ring or got a notification saying that, hey, the ring is sold out. Do you want a refund or do you want to pick from our options? But they just sent me this, so I'm pissed. So I'm currently editing my video. You can probably see me in my bonnet. But yeah, they finally gave me the ring, which I love it. It's gorgeous. It looks so good with this ring. But yeah. Oh, and then the ugly ring that I don't like, that's the Tiana ring. So if y'all like it, y'all can go get it. But this is the Frankie ring with the baguettes. I'm obsessed. It looks so good with my signet ring. So yeah, I'm happy they sent it. Okay, bye. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or if you want to see me do more jewelry hauls, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at Säna Amira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.